Now we are just concluded the first part. I've just completed all the first session of it, and I've cleared this, and now I'm starting to put this. You can see I've just put one, the rest are just down here. You can see them, but all over here earth they have to be placed. I just did this, I opened this, and I did all that was supposed to be done. And now I want just to complete the first part, and after there, and I'm going to this second part, and I'm going now just to open up this and do some repairs in here so that I'll have to clear up the voices. Go, just understand what I'm saying. So, hope you just like it. If you just like to watch just one line, just find me. I'm the guy, the son. Love you guys. Let me just complete this first part and I'll talk to you. Gotcha.